We're in my backyard, and we're going to make Logan. Okay, really, Logan? Really? We found a live bird back here, and we just want the people of the world to see it. Hopefully it's still back here, but it's right there. Come on, Logan. There it is.
Here, move.
Oh, it's right there.
I love how good these videos are.
Isn't that bird cute? It's all out of this tree. Is that smaller? No. Well, the nest is somewhere up there, people, so there it is. I hope you guys see it because it might not be good over here.
What are you doing? Taking pictures?
And that's my dad.
Shoebox. Put it in there and then put her up in the air so the mother can get her.
How would we pick it up?
They ain't gonna be able to find her. Where's she at?
Right there.
Oh.
Can't walk.
Wait, how would you get it in the...
Shoebox.
Pick her up.
You can't.
What?
Okay, that includes our episode. And I'll probably be posting more videos on YouTube soon, so look me up. Subscribe. Bye.